Okay, the Macnex TV will give some, will share some technical analysis for this metal gold. So we try not to focus on gold because currently the prices is still on consolidation. If we will check the higher time frame, this is the highest price where the gold, which the month of July, June, May, April, May. So this is the highest price where this previous one, this is the previous highest price that the gold reached, this one. So we will check this. This is the previous what we call the liquidity zone. No, this is where in the prices of during May, the price managed to break this zone, but again, the prices dropped massively for the previous 2 months. So where is the prices now clinging? The current price is clinging on the higher time price on the supply zone. No? But if we will check the July, there is some minimal volume of traders. No? The buyers trying to subdue the sellers, but still the volume is not ideal. So meaning the buyers and sellers is not they are still observing maybe the market condition. If the investors and the sellers there's a tag of war between the two for the previous 3 months. Okay, so there's a bear months the previous 3 months after this one, and then there's a liquidity after hitting this highest price. So what will be the next for this metal? We will check the weekly. This is the perspective. We will check the status of the current price on the weekly. The price is still on the fair value. So this is the fair value for the weekly. This one, and then the price is below the fair value. And what will be the major trend? The major bias of this metal. For me, I think the in the long term, still the gold is on downward direction. So the downward direction of the overall is the prices is going upward, but the correction downward is deep. So I think some investor is hesitant to trade with this market condition, especially the gold. So I think so the US dollar still the strength of the US dollar against the gold is very dominant if you compare. But in the weekly, the gold is still clinging on the what is this? The 50 EMA. So meaning if it be above the 200 EMA, still on the bullish, but the correction is very deep. For me, I think the correction, if we will check the correction back to the higher time frame, I think we have to consider this one, because this is the you have to consider this is the support or the demand zone, this one, and this is the supply zone. Consider this one. So that if this is the demand and this supply, so that the prices tend to drop, but the fair value of the higher time period is far. And what will be next? It is the prices will drop until this support, or maybe 50% of that. So we will check on the daily for your reference on Monday. I think the prices will still move well on downward movements, but you have to consider this one, because these lines are the resistance for the daily, and this one is the support for this daily. If you will take the 4 hours, this one. So I think in the 4 hours the prices is on the supply breaking, trying to break the supply zone in the lower time frame and even the hourly. So you have to consider that one 30. So this will be the in the lower time frame. This will be the this is the prices. As you can see, the prices is 10 to this one. So if we will check the previous with the market close, so these are the prices on there. As you can see, it's scrolling. So it seems that you consider that in the deal is still on the consolidation phase. So this will be the pattern that these prices will follow. Okay, so this one, so you have to consider this one, and then before it will break, hitting the potential next level. I think this is the you can set here this one, take profit and your stop loss. So if you consider the risk reward ratio is only this one because of the low volume. When there's a first week of July. You have to consider this one, this pennant shape that it will break upward. There's a potential breakout upward before it will ratio continue to drop, prices to drop. Okay, so I think guys, you can use this as your additional reference if you want to trade this metal on when the market open on Monday. So I think the best is this one will be your stop loss, and then hitting your take profit here 1979, and then stop loss will be here 1895. Okay, that's all for my forecast for the gold, but I think the overall trend is downward, hitting again the higher time frame before it will move upward. You can consider this one and higher time this level zone or potential here. You will observe here, and if this fair value will be broken, then the next will be here. You can set your order before it will rise again, upward movement for this metal. Okay guys, thank you very much. I hope that you will you can subscribe back next channel and then share, so you can put some comments so that there is an interaction for this analysis. Okay, thank you.